just coming home from the bed and the park. Saba is very relaxed. Jedi is also very relaxed. Thank God. But the best is Saba. She's sleeping in front of the air conditioning. Hilarious.